What's going on, everybody? I'm Tony. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the $1,000 Honda Grom race. Yeah, that's not clickbait in any way, shape, or form. We've actually got a Honda Grom challenge here in Creston, Texas, the 7th round of the CMRA Championship. And there's actually $1,000 on the line for first place today. Now, just so we're clear, there is absolutely zero chance that I win this race and walk away with the money, but I still think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna try and document the race. Hopefully I can stay up front with some of the front runners, maybe the guy or gal who wins the race, but I think it should be a good one nonetheless. It's currently Friday. We've got Friday practice. The race is tomorrow on Saturday, so come along for the journey. I hope you enjoy. If you dig the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up down below, and if you enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. But let's go ahead and get into it.
Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my lips. Bring me back to life.
Oh my God, I said it like probably 5 times out on the track, but it is so freaking hot. I don't know why anybody wants to race a motorcycle in Texas in August. It's horrible. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna go see if I can't find Josiah, the little dude who was out there, and give him a little bit of Hey, Josiah, so why are you so fast?
Because I'm light enough, small enough that I can hide under my number plate.
So he's light and he's fearless and he's small. Like, so basically what you're saying is I'm just too fat and old and scared to go fast. Is that what you're saying?
I think you're just a little bit too tall.
I'm super short. I'm not even tall. So basically fat and old is what is being said. That's right. Just confirm it for the camera. I want the people to know.
Well, you're not as bad as Craig Thomson, right?
Oh man, all right. So now we're getting, so Craig is the dude who like owns and runs Moto Bros, and this $1,000 race wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for Craig. So do you think, are you gonna win tomorrow?
I will certainly try my best.
I don't want you to try, because I want you to win. Win. You gonna...
If I have to, I'll do what's necessary.
There we go. So what do you think? So I'm gonna start P1. I'm not starting in the back because I'm just not. I'm not gonna be anywhere near the front. So what if I just crash into everybody and you automatically win the race? Will you split the money with me?
Well, you actually gotta get close enough to crash them.
Okay. Very funny. And the interview is over, people. I mean, how savage was that? Like, legitimately, okay, I know that I'm slow, but you don't have to go like telling everybody. Gosh, Josiah. No, but I do. I hope he wins. I love the Grom Challenge because it lets, let's just be honest, kids like him put their skills to the test, and he's so fast. I want him to win this thing. Yeah, but with that said, that's kind of the end of today with all of the Grom shenanigans. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack up, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Good morning, everybody. It is race day. It's Saturday. I'm heading out for free practice 2 on the Grom here. I'm a little bit late to the grid. Having some like weird stomach issues this morning. I don't know, just exhausted from yesterday. So get out here, spend some laps, have some fun. Thank you. All right, so all the fast guys and gals are here today. Like legitimately the folks who are going to be winning this money a little bit later this afternoon. It is not me, but I don't know, hopefully in this practice session I can find them, I can get behind them, try and figure out where I need to be, because I'm still not quite fast, kind of how it should be. Not that the Grom is ever fast, but I'm not where I should be on the Grom. Post up over here, wait for the fast guys. Here they come, here they come. I won't let them pass me. Oh, they're so quick. They're so fast. Oh my gosh. And I know for a fact, both of their bikes are fully stock. That's just like full pinned everywhere. That's great. Uh-oh, somebody's right behind me. Damn it, Jason. Get the fuck out of my way. Oh man, my tires are all slippy now. Dang it, that was stupid. Oh my god. These friggin' Groms are absolutely ridiculous. That practice was hilariously insane. I yet again realized just how slow I am, which is just kind of sad, but still, it's an absolute blast. So one of the guys that you saw out there, orange bike, his name's Craig, he owns Moto Bros. He's actually the one who's putting this whole thing on. So I'm gonna see if I can't go grab him real quick, steal a minute of his time, and just kind of have him walk me through what the heck this all looked like. So, what up? What up? All right, so question for both of you.
Yeah.
Can I win this race?
I mean, from the back.
So,
From 500 feet behind.
So I was talking to Josiah yesterday, and he said that if I crashed all of y'all out, he'd split the money with me.
Oh,
Yeah.
Knocking elbows, huh?
But then he came back and he was like, well, you actually have to be close enough to crash into anybody. So what, like this 12-year-old just absolutely schooled me.
dude, I'm telling you, these 12-year-olds are ridiculous.
Absolutely.
And their trash talk is above the.
Oh my god. Yeah, dude, it's
ridiculous.
It's absolutely
Because he
insane.
plays video games all day.
All day.
Yeah, he doesn't have to pay any bills. That's what it is.
All right, so why the Grom challenge? Why the Groms? Why $1,000? Like where's the money?
$1,000?
Where's the money coming? So first of all, one, you know I won't win. Two, I have $0 in this because if I had any money in this, my wife would kill me. So $0 are coming out of my pocket. But like, where'd this come from? Like,
So we have a couple of huge sponsors backing us: Motul,
okay.
Pirelli,
Okay.
and we have Bell on board.
Nice.
Yeah, we got and they're actually backing us. So Motul gave a year worth of oil, the most expensive, the 300V.
300V?
Yeah.
Oh, like, all right, let's run $80 oil in our Groms. Super cool.
Yep, the best, and it's the 300V is full racing, so it's perfect. Bell, we're still talking to them. Obviously, they've already given us helmets and stuff.
That's
and
awesome.
we've got to do some stuff with them. And then Pirelli tires.
Yeah,
they just came out with the new tire.
I saw that, the
Yeah.
little scooter tire, like the Diablo, the SC Corsa or whatever it
SC.
is.
Oh, dude, and I took it out for practice, and it's amazing.
Really?
So two people got destroyed. One of them wasn't me. You know what I'm saying?
I got destroyed. So did he.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Legitimate question. Are you like full pin the entire track?
I mean, I'm not telling you shit, to be honest.
But like, I'm not gonna be anywhere near you.
Yeah, but it's strategy, you know. I don't want you trying to figure out things.
Oh
you know?
my, this is ridiculous.
front brake.
I'll
And
never
it's-
get faster.
It's full pinned all the way, just full pin.
Just full pin.
That's it.
Everywhere, never
Don't
let
even
off.
brake. I don't even have brakes on.
Yeah,
mine.
we took him off. Weight reduction.
No brakes. So that's the moral of the story. All right, y'all. Next up, we're gonna be out on the track. I will not be bumping elbows. These two will probably be bumping elbows, but yeah, dude, stay tuned. Again, If you dig the content, hit that like button, and if you want to, consider subscribing.
You got me by this much.
I did.
Fucking Corey stood me up. I almost ran something.
Oh my God, what a race. I actually didn't do too bad. And how about that finish? I knew that Peyton was right there on my tail. I thought for sure he was gonna draft me to the line, but I got real lucky. Man, I ended up finishing 5th out of, I have no idea how many bikes were out there, 10, 12, 15, but 5th, which was better than my 6th last time. And I actually stayed somewhat close to that leading group, so I'll take it. Josiah ended up winning the race. I think he won it by like, I don't know, 6 or 7 seconds. He absolutely mopped the floor with all of us, Craig included. But again, he's like 80 pounds. He has absolutely no fear. You know what? The dude absolutely deserved the win. As Craig mentioned a little bit earlier in the video, we had a bunch of fantastic sponsors for this event. Again, huge shout out to Moto Bros and Craig for putting this on. So they put up a $250 gift card for their shop, $200 worth of tires, I think $300 worth of Motul 300V oil. Casey put in 200 bucks. Dude by the name of Jordan Pence put in like 100 bucks. So grand total was $1,005 that Josiah walked away with. That's awesome, man. Hats off. So with that said, it pretty much concludes this video. The weather's turning on us ever so slightly, so timing couldn't be any more perfect. If you like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. And if you enjoyed the content, go ahead and consider subscribing. Until next time, ladies and gents, I'm Tony. Stay safe. Bye.